Hello guys, welcome to my channel WinChem. Today we are going to see chemical kinetics part 2 problems and tricks. Already part 1 is also there. Go on. This is a part 2. The first sum. 2A plus B gives C plus D. Determine the rate law or rate constant of the reaction. Tabular column is there. In that 4 experiment has done. Okay, the first experiment concentration of A, B is there and the rate constant. And in the same way, second experiment, third experiment, fourth experiment. 4 experiments are there. They are asking a rate law and a rate constant. First, whenever the experiment is done, you just check whether which are all the concentration is the same. You just check where and all same. In this second and third A is same. In the first and fourth B is same. So it's easy for us to compare and find the rate law and rate constant. How to do it? So how to do the rate expression? The K into A plus B. Okay, according to that we will write the rate expression. Which and all is the same, first and fourth is same and the second and third is same. So second and the third is same. So what we have to do is just to divide both so that we will get the value of X and Y. That is the easy for you to find the rate law and rate constant. We'll see first one. The first one, see, this is the rate constant of 2.4 divided by 6, first and the fourth. Okay, first and the fourth. And what is the this is the rate I have mentioned, divided by the rate expression is K is there, and A concentration, B concentration, A concentration, B concentration. These two are same. That why I have told you to take same, both will get cancelled. Okay, if both will get cancelled means we can take it out the X value alone. Okay, if both will get cancelled, divide this one, 6 4s are 24, so this will be 4. Okay, here one point will come, so this will get compensated, so only 4 has come. 0.4 divided by 0.1, this one, and this 4, which is equal to the whole thing. We can take it as a X. Okay, so 4 by 1 is 4, 4 by 1 is 4 only, so 4 power X, which is equal to 4 power 1. What is the value of X? Here 1, so X is equal to 1, so X is equal to value of 1. And again we need to find the value of Y. Okay, you compare the second and the third. See, same as it is, you just do as it is. So this will get cancelled, it will become 1, this will become 1. So everything will get cancelled, it will become 1. Here 7 2s are 28, 7 4s are 28, so 4 has to come. So 0.4 by 4, 0.4 by 0.2 is 0.2. Okay, it will get cancelled, 0.2. See, both will get a Y value. Okay, Y value means here 1, here Y. See here 2 power Y. 2 power Y means how much power it comes means it will become 4. How much power comes means it will become 4. If it comes as a 2, then it will become a 4. Here, yes, everything is same. There is no power, no need. Both the sides are same, so we will keep this as a 1. But here it's a 2, so we need to power it as a 2. 2 power 2 is 4. So Y is equal to 2. So now we come to know what is the value of X and Y. What is the value of X and Y? We come to know. So we can substitute in the rate expression. So this is a rate is equal to K A into 1 and B is equal to 2. Okay, so many experiments are there, so we need to find which is the consolidated ones, and that then only we can find the order of the reaction according to the concentration of A and B. We need to find the order of the reaction also. The rate constant they are asking. What is the rate constant? Rate constant is K. We need to find the rate constant K. K is equal to rate divided by all those things. So K is equal to, what is the rate? Rate is just equal to first one. We will take the first one, 6.02 into 10 to the power of minus 3. That unit has to taken, divided by their concentration of A and the concentration of B. We will find the rate constant. Okay, this is the equation. This is the answer. Next sum is, the reaction is second order with respect to the reactant. How is the rate of the reaction affected if the concentration of the reactant is doubled? If the concentration of the reactant is reduced to half, what will happen if the rate of the concentration of the reactant reduced to half and doubled? See, this is the rate expression. Okay, rate is equal to K A into A power square. This is the rate equation. We need to write if it is doubled. If it is doubled means 2 into A. This is the doubled one. If it is doubled, what will happen? This, instead of A concentration, we need to write the 2A. Then only it becomes doubled. If it is 2A power 2 means 4. 4K into A, this is A square. So this is as it is there, that is the rate constant. You know, Ka square is rate constant, that we mentioned, simply I have mentioned as R, just for comparison person. Okay, this becomes a rate. Okay, so the rate of the reaction is increases 4 times. So the rate of the reaction increases 4 times compared to these two. What is the difference? Only 4 is extra, so 4 times it's extra. Okay, and the next one is, if it is reduced to half, what will happen? A is equal to 1 by 2. Instead of in the A place, we need to substitute 1 by 2 A the whole square. So 1 by 2 the whole square is 1 by 4 into Ka square. So this has to be taken as a only, sorry, R only. So if you compare these two, what will happen? This is 4 times increased. If you see, this one is 1.5, 4. That is 1 by 4th time reduced. Okay, the rate of the reaction is reduced to 1 by 4th. The next reaction is, next problem. A reaction is the first order in A and second in B. The A concentration of B increases to 3 times. Okay, and the B concentration of both A and B are doubled. First sum, B increases to 3 times. Both A and B are doubled the second one. What will happen? First we need to write the rate equation. Rate equation of A, B is equal to A, B. This is also given. That's why I have mentioned over here. Okay, and what we have to do, if the concentration of B increases 3 times, where only the concentration of B alone increases, so we need to mention only 3 over here. So 3 power 2, 3 3s are 9. So 9 into K, everything has to be as it is. Okay, so how much time it increases? It increases 9 times. The rate of the reaction increases to 9 times. And what about the second sum? A and B both are doubled. So 2 2. This is not square, only this alone square. If it is square, it becomes 4. 4 2s are 8. So this rate of the reaction is increased to 8 times. And the next one, last one is, for the reaction to X is used X square, the rate of the reaction becomes 27 times when the concentration of X is increased to 3 times. When the X concentration increased to 3 times means the rate of the reaction also given. How much? 27 times the rate of the reaction is increasing. What is the order of the reaction? They are asking. They are saying everything. They are asking the order of the reaction. See, when the concentration of X is increased to 3 times means, so it becomes 3X. And the rate of the reaction becomes 27, they are saying. If what may be the order of the reaction? If you which number if you put over here, then it becomes 27. Which number I put over here? If you put 2, 3 3s are 9 only it comes. If you put 3 into 3 into 3, it becomes 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27 will come. So the answer is 3. When the rate is 3, then 3 into 3 into 3, 27. The order of the reaction is, what will be the order? 3. Please subscribe my channel. Click the bell button so that you will get the upcoming problems and many tricks also. Like it and share to your friends also. Thanks for watching.